Hello students, welcome to you all. So we are reading about the physical features of Australia. So in that we have read about different physical features. Now today we will read the Western Plateau. So let's start the Western Plateau. So the Western Plateaus are also called as Shield of Australia. They are also called as Shield of Australia. So let's start. Western Plateau. It occupies the western half of the continent. It is composed of sandstones, limestones, which lies in the horizontal layer over the igneous rock. So if you see this map, physical map, so you will see this part is the Western Plateau part. So you can see more than half of the area of Australia is covered with what? With Western Plateaus. Okay. So it is composed of sandstone and limestone. So mostly sandstone and limestone found here, which lies in the horizontal layer over this igneous rock. So over the igneous rock, these sandstone and limestone, they lies in a layer because they are sedimentary rocks. So sedimentary rocks mostly found in layers. So sandstone, limestones are mostly found here. Now, the next point is, so the plateau slopes eastward to the central lowland and southwards to the Nullarbor plain. So if you see here, this is the area of Western Plateau. So in eastern part, if you see it extending to the central lowland. Eastern part, this is eastern side. So this is extending towards the central lowland, and in the southern part, it is here in the Nullarbor. This is the Nullarbor plain. So it is extended about the Nullarbor plain. Okay, now next point. The Hampsley Range, the McDonald Range near Alice Spring, and Musgrave Range are some of the important mountain ranges in the Western Plateau. So if you talk about the mountain range which are there in this Western Plateau area, so here Musgrave Range is here, McDonald Range is here, then here the Hampsley Range. Okay, so these are the important ranges which are found here in this area. Okay. Now the next point, some of the major desert in this region are Gibson Desert, Great Sandy Desert, Great Victoria Desert. So if you talk about the desert area, the desert areas are here. You can see here, Simpson Desert is here. Okay, Great Sandy Deserts are here, Gibson Desert is here, Victoria Deserts are here. So these are the areas of desert which are found in this Western Plateau region. Now, so another important feature of this plateau is huge mass of single rocks called Eyre rocks. So these are the huge mass of single rocks and they are called as Eyre rocks. It is incorporated with the McDonald Range. So near the McDonald Range they are found. It is also known as Uluru. So they are called as Uluru, which look red, which glow red at the time of sunset. So these are very important as a point of view of tourist attraction. Okay. We will read about the coastal plains. So the coastal plains in general, the Western Plateau drops steeply to the sea, giving rise to an even coastline with a few inlets. So in general, Western Plateau drops steeply to the sea. So here you can see this is the Western Plateau and these are the areas of coastal plains. These are the areas of coastal plains. So here you can see this is steeply, this is joining this area. This even area means not more curves are too much curves are not there. So this is the steep side of Western Plateau area, so giving rise to an even coastline and with very few inlets except it in the northeast. So if we compare it with the northeast, here the condition is not that same. Here you can see these are very uneven, means a lot of curves are there. Very rugged means lot of curved and uneven area is there. So that's why it is said that except in the northeast, here the sea is shallower and there are good harbors. So the areas which are near here, here the sea is very shallower. Shallower means not very deep. Okay. So what type of harbors are here? Like Darwin, Wendhiam and Derby. These are the harbors which are found in this area. So the Nullarbor plain is the coastal plain located towards the south of the Western Plateau. We have already discussed this. in the Western Plateau area, in the south part, the Nullarbor Plains are there. It is the worst plain along the southern coast of Australia. So this is what the coastal plain. In the next part, we will read about the Great Artesian Basin. So till now, thank you. Have a nice day.